Welcome back, guys. Happy Vlogmas day 11. It is a very exciting day because it is my oldest sister's birthday. So a lot of birthday things happening today. I'm actually baking her a cake. So that will be in this vlog. I'm making her favorite birthday cake or cake of all time, my blueberry lemon cake. It's from this baker that I got the recipe off of Instagram, and my sister is obsessed with it. So that is my job today, to bake her this cake. So I've already gotten all the ingredients, so we have to just make it, and I'm excited because it's super yummy. It's one of my favorite cakes too, but it is amazing, and I make it dairy-free. The recipe isn't dairy-free, but it's very easy to make dairy-free if you know someone in your family that has to be dairy-free. This is a really good cake to make because everyone who isn't dairy-free loves it, and then everyone who is dairy-free loves it as well. But gonna make that later today. But first, I've gotten a lot of Christmas gifts in, and I thought, you know what, why not just share them? If you're part of my family, stop watching this, but I don't think anyone whose gifts these are watches my videos. But if you are in my family and you're watching, just click out, please. That would be very nice. But I thought, yeah, why not share some gifts? I think actually one of these, which I'm so happy about because I was scared it wasn't gonna come in time, is my sister's birthday gift. She's currently taking a shower, so I'm gonna try and share all this before. Actually, let me share what I think is hers first, so I don't say it when she walks by. But I got her something from Quince for her birthday, and I got a few pieces from Quince actually. I'm super excited for what I got her, and then I also got other family members gifts from Quince as well. But okay, let's see what is in here. I think this is her gift. Okay, and then I think this is her gift. Okay, so I got my sister for her birthday a workout set from Quince, and I've never tried their workout activewear before, and it just looks really nice, so I'm excited to see what she thinks. And I'm hoping the size that I got her works. I got her an extra small in this beautiful baby blue color, so I'll let you guys know how she likes it because it would be a really affordable brand to get workout stuff from. It feels really nice just off the bat, but I got her these baby blue leggings, and I like that it actually has pockets on the side. My sister is very into yoga. She's actually on the path to becoming a yoga instructor, so she goes through so much workout stuff, and she's constantly needing new workout sets. And I thought this one was really pretty and would look really good on her. So it's just this beautiful baby blue color. It feels really nice. The material is like buttery soft. And then I also got her the matching top, which is just a plain little sports bra. And I thought this was a really nice set and gift, and I think this is a gorgeous color, like absolutely stunning. So I'll let you guys know how she likes it, but just off the bat, it's really, really soft. The quality feels amazing. I mean, everything I've purchased from Quince and gotten gifted from Quince, I absolutely love, but I'm really excited to give this to her because I think she will really like it, and I don't think she has anything in this colorway, and I think it will look really pretty with her brown hair. So that is her birthday gift that I'm gonna give it to her tonight. So I'm gonna put this away so she doesn't see it. Next, I also got my aunt something from Quince. I personally love their cashmere scarf. I got a scarf, is it last year from Quince? From actually the same aunt, and I remember when I opened it, she was like, I want one for myself. It feels so nice. But I got her the bigger one so she can be like wrapped up in a blanket, and I got her in this beautiful oatmeal color. Oh my god, this is just, oh, this is amazing. It is so luxurious. I am absolutely obsessed. So I got her this scarf, and then to match it, I got her some matching gloves because I love a matching set. I think it looks so chic looking. So I got her just the plain cashmere matching gloves, and I'm so excited. And then I also got her some makeup products that she really likes. so I'll put that in with it. But I feel like this is such a good gift, a nice matching glove and scarf set. I feel like that's something anyone can use, and you never want to purchase it yourself. I always think of gifts that like you always want, but you don't want to purchase it yourself, and I feel like a matching scarf and glove set is such a good gift idea. So I'm so excited about this. Absolutely love this so much. And then the last thing that I got from Quince is another pair of the cashmere leggings. Yes, guys. I mean, not leggings, joggers, sweatpants, lounge pants. I have to. They're just so nice. I can't stop buying them. But I got the black, and I got the size small in the black because the medium, I just think they're too big. Like, they're just way too big. So I got the straight leg in black because I just know I'm gonna live in these so much, and I just love an all black lounge set. So I got the black, and I'm absolutely obsessed, and you guys already know my obsession with these. They're just so great, so nice. So thank you, Quince, for gifting me these pieces. I cannot wait to give these pieces to my family members for the holiday season. I just know they're gonna love them as much as I love them. And if you are still looking for that perfect gift, I highly recommend checking Quince out. You really can't go wrong with anything, like a scarf, mittens, workout set, nice pair of joggers. They're just such a great brand to get gifts from because they have everything, and their prices are so affordable. So I am gonna be living in those pants like I do the million other pants I have from them. And I'm just so excited to give my sister that workout set, and then my aunt the glove and the scarf set. I just love that so much. Okay, other gifts that came in. This one I already know what it is because I already opened it, because I honestly was confused what it was when it came in. Like, I didn't know what brand it was. But I got loafers from GH Bass for my boyfriend for Christmas, and I'm so excited. They're absolutely stunning, like so beautiful. He doesn't have a pair of black loafers, and I heard these are really comfortable, and he has trouble with finding comfortable shoes, especially work shoes, and it ends up like hurting his joints and things like that. He played lacrosse his entire life, so his body is pretty banged up. So I'm hoping these are actually really comfortable and he'll like these a lot. But I know he wants a pair of black loafers, but I just know he doesn't want to spend the money on himself. So during Black Friday, I took advantage of their sale and I got him a pair of loafers from GH Bass, and I'm really excited because people love this brand. I feel like this is like the iconic loafer brand, like everybody has. So very excited about this. This, I have no idea what this is. This is also for my boyfriend as well for Christmas. I got him some things from Skims because I was honestly just intrigued, because I know a lot of people rave about the Skims men's line, and I kind of just wanted to check it out. So I got him some boxers because I feel like you can never have enough boxers, and I feel like he's always needing some. So I just got him some black boxers, and then I got him a not workout set, like a lounge set, because all of his lounge sets have like holes in them. They're so old. So I wanted to get him a very nice clean cut lounge set. Oh my God, he's gonna love this. Absolutely love this. Wow, this is so nice. So I got him this ash gray hoodie, and it's just kind of like an oversized hoodie. This is really soft, okay? I understand the hype around this. This is really, really nice. And then I also got him the matching joggers, which he really, really needs. Okay, yeah, these are so nice. I really love these. Wow, he's gonna be obsessed with them. He's going to live in these. These are the softest things I've ever felt. Wow, okay, cool. Yay! I was kind of getting nervous because none of my stuff was coming in, and I just received pretty much all of this yesterday. So very happy about this, and this box just came today. I just got it from my front porch, so very happy about that. And then this, I think this is from the vintage shop, Lucia Zola. You guys know I love that shop, and I always end up buying something from there or any of my other online vintage stores for Christmas. And I think this is also a gift for my sister. Let me look. I love their handwritten note. Hannah, thank you so much for your support. I hope you love it. I just love that. That's stunning, like absolutely stunning. I think this is, I feel like it is, guys. Okay, you know the video that I just posted not too long ago? I showed this sweater in, and yes, I did end up purchasing it for my sister. That's who I was thinking about. It is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh my god, she's gonna absolutely love this. Okay, I gotta put this away so she doesn't see it, but that is so pretty. I'm so excited. I get so excited about gift giving, guys. Okay, that's everything that has come in this far, but I will continue to share gifts that I've gotten people as they come in, because I think it's fun. I feel like I've never shared what I actually purchased for people in the past because I just get nervous that they're gonna see it before Christmas or something like that, but I'm hoping my family just closed out of this video. I didn't watch this video, or I don't think really any of these people is, besides my sister, which I'll just tell her, but my boyfriend definitely does not watch my videos. I don't think my aunt does too, but I'll just tell them, please don't watch my video. And I'll continue to share gifts that I've given people or got for people for the holiday season. But I am probably gonna get started on my sister's cake because I'm scared that's gonna take me a little longer than I think it's gonna take me. And then maybe also work on the puzzle a little bit more. It's addicting. Puzzles are addicting. I constantly just wanna keep just sitting down and just working on it. It's just so fun and so relaxing, and I just absolutely love it.